How's it going, everyone? Today we have ShockFlo's inflatable pump to check out. We're going to get it out of the box and let you guys know what we think about it on today's episode of Good Tech Cheap. How is it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure you're subscribed or following where you're seeing this video at. Today's episode is brought to you by ShockFlo. We have their inflator to check out. This thing is small, compact, and smart technology built into it. So yeah, all of our links and details are located in the description, of course, so make sure to check that out. But let's not waste any more time. Get this out of the box and let you guys know what we think. Let's get it out of the box. See what all we get. On the top we have our paperwork. Then we have the pump itself, wrapped up in plastic. Let's get it out of the plastic. Oh, nice. It's got an LCD screen right here. Some controls. Car, SUV. Backside we have the adapters where we can charge, where you plug the pump in at, the power button, and we've powered it on. The LED lights will light on. We have the battery indicator right here with the branding, of course. A nice little carrying handle made out of rubber. And that's pretty cool. Now on the inside of the box, we'll get all of our adapters. A USB to USB-C, the adapter for a car charging adapter, the hose that goes to the valve stem, and some more different types of attachments like blowers and a sports ball needle. That all is really handy, and that is everything you get right out of the box. So let's go air up some tires and see what we think. So this little thing is a beast and it's pretty awesome. So it's got a dual power supply, unlike most air inflators. This one not only allows you to use 12 volt DC power, but also has a built-in 4500 milliamp Li-ion battery, giving you two options instead of just one. And trust me, that is an awesome option just in case the battery goes dead. But on a full charge, it does make it a lot easier just to carry this around and put on your valve stem and air up a car tire. And the ShockFlo is also faster at inflating. The mini tire pump's powerful motor can provide 150 PSI tire pressure and 35 L a minute airflow. It can inflate 195, 65, and R15 car tire from 0 to 30 PSI within 5 minutes. And with the maximum pressure being at 150 PSI and equipped with 3 different air nozzle accessories, you can inflate any type of equipment other than just car tires, such as motorcycle tires, bicycles, lawnmower tires, basketballs, swimming pool floats, and so much more. Matter of fact, I find it most handy being used with my one wheel. Since a one wheel is definitely a low PSI tire, I can use this without any issues quickly inflating the tire to what I need it to be set at, allowing it to automatically cut off once it reaches the set PSI, keeping everything safe and easy to do. And speaking of safety, the ShockFlo is loaded with protection mechanisms, such as overcharge and discharge, intelligent temperature sensing, abnormal temperature rise, and more, keeping all the inflation jobs done safely and giving your device a longer service life. That being said, the ShockFlo has done an excellent job and I'm highly satisfied. The screen was absolutely easy to read. You could easily get through all the settings and presets, and overall done exactly what it is designed to do: inflate tires. So if you're in the market for a tire inflator, I would highly recommend to head on over to ShockFlo and check this one out for yourself. We have all of our links and details located in the description. I would also like to give a huge shout out to ShockFlo for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button and get in the comments letting us know what what you need a tire inflator for. Well, that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure you're following where you should be following. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next review.